Toyotress Hair, and if you want to see what hair they sent me to install, then stay tuned. Alright, so if you've been watching my channel for a while, then you know that I work with Toyotress all the time, and they are near and dear to me. I think they were like probably my first sponsored post or hair or any of that I've ever had on my channel. So anytime that they hit me up and like, hey, we have some more stuff for you to review, I'm always, you know, very acceptive and ready to do it because they are very, very good to me. So Toyotress sent me this hair to review. This is their Passion Twist hair, except it's in 6 inches, and I got it in the color 1B. In it you get I think 8 packs of hair, and they all have 6-inch Passion Twist in it. And you also get a crochet needle. And let me show you what the twists look like. So they're really, really small. I was kind of worried about how this is gonna look on me because I don't prefer short hair. However, I'm gonna install them and we'll see, and I'm pretty sure it'll be cute. From the pictures I've seen, they've been cute on other people. So yeah, I'm gonna install these, and if you want to see what they look like, then stay tuned. So this is the braid pattern that I'm going to use. I have individual boxes in the front, but they're all connected, and then I have cornrows in the back, which I know probably look a mess. But this is like a new illusion method that everyone's been doing on YouTube, and honestly just makes things quicker. I did this last night because, as you saw in the previous clip before, I wore a wig today, so it always works because even when I take these Passion Twists out and I just want to put on a wig, I still have my hair braided down and flat, so keep that in mind. But yeah, so what I'm going to actually do is go ahead and install the twist in the back, and then I'm going to come back because that's honestly just simple crochet. I think at this point everybody knows how to crochet, so I'm going to install the back, and then I'll come back and show you how I install the Passion Twist in the front. Okay, so I inserted all the twists in the back of my hair. Really, if you want it, you could probably leave it like this and do this little style and add some little, you know, gold clips or whatever, but it's kind of ghetto. I mean, not ghetto, childish, that's the word I was looking for. Even though this does kind of look childish-ish, but I mean, it's still cute, it's still cute. So this is what it looks like. This is 4 packs of twist. And I don't know, it looks kind of cuter than what I thought it was gonna look like. Cause I really just want to be able to pull it up. If I can pull it up, half up, half down, then I'll probably keep it in. But yeah, so this is 4 packs. Each pack has about like 19-20 twists in it. So I got like 80 twists in my head currently, and I haven't even done the front yet. Like I said, it does come with 8 packs, so I doubt that I use all 8. I'm probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I'm probably only gonna use 5 packs, so 5 times 20 is about 100. So I don't have to do that. So I'm probably gonna have 100 twists total. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I install these on the front. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so this is the final look. This is what I've done with it. I look 12, but it's still cute. And I think if I added like some little jewels, I probably won't, but if I did, I think that would be cute. I think this is a cute style. If you have a kid, a child, a good protective style. It just looks like I have my hair in mini twist, honestly. But it's definitely cuter than what I thought it was going to be, so I might actually keep it in for a couple of days because I thought I was going to take it right out after I finished it. But no, it's kind of cute. Let me fix this. So yeah, this is it. I'm going to go take pictures. If you like these type of videos, stay tuned. If you want to get these mini twist, passion twist from Toyotress, I have the link down in the description box below. And yeah, until next time, bye guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.